Hi, I'm Paul from Veloworks, and if you follow our channel, you'll know I love building wheels, and I love building wheels with DT Swiss products. Today, I am making a set of custom DT Swiss wheels for a customer, which we do quite regularly. Come join me. So I hope you enjoyed a little video of some of the processes I use when I build wheels. Here is the finished product. Here we have a beautiful set of DT Swiss custom wheels that will probably spin forever. How long you got? Probably not that long. So what we've used is DT Swiss 350 hubs, the newer models, even though they've been out for a couple of years. The RR481 rims, that suits the customer specification of tyre choice and how he rides. And I've brought these together using DT Swiss competition double butted spokes. So they're 1.8 mil in the middle and 2.0 mil or 2 mil at the ends. And then I've used Prolock brass nipples. Also, all of our wheels come, DT Swiss wheels come tubeless ready with DT Swiss rim tape. So that's the front. Let me show you the rear. So both wheels are for 12 mil through axles. The front is 100 by 12 mil and the rear is 142 by 12, both for center lock discs. And this one is for a SRAM XDR free hub. The customer wanted a quiet set of wheels, and the good thing about DT Swiss wheels is they make a nice noise. You know you've got a nice hub on the back of your bike, but they're not atrocious. A really good fit for the customer. They approached us through our website, and then we came back with the perfect set of wheels for them. So he's picking them up today, and I absolutely love them. Again, this one, just keep on spinning, and it feels so buttery smooth, the hub and the bearings, and definitely, as well as the products, the well-balanced wheel just means it just keeps going on and on and on, and that's what we want, and that's what you're paying for. So the next set of wheels I'm building, custom DC Swiss wheels, are 240 hubs for Shimano SRAM free hub and GR531 rims. They're gravel specific wheels, so I'm going to go to the workshop and do that now. But thanks for joining me. If you like our channel, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.